What if you could launch an AI consulting business without being a programmer, without building software, and without spending years learning artificial intelligence? Sounds exciting, right? But is AI consulting machine actually a smart investment, or is it just another product making big promises? In today's video, we're taking a closer look so you can decide if it's worth your time and money. Welcome to Ethan Cole, your trusted source for honest AI software reviews, automation tools, and online business opportunities. If you're new here, my goal is simple: help you understand what these tools actually do so you can make informed decisions before spending your money. Let's dive into AI consulting machine. Artificial intelligence is changing the way businesses operate. From customer support and marketing to content creation and workflow automation, companies are looking for practical ways to use AI. The challenge is that many business owners don't know where to begin. That's where AI consulting machine comes in. Instead of asking you to become an AI engineer, it aims to provide a structured system with resources, templates, and guidance to help you offer AI consulting services to businesses. The idea is to save time by giving you a framework rather than starting everything from scratch. Based on the information available, the platform is designed to help streamline common consulting tasks. Depending on the package, users may receive resources such as consulting frameworks, proposal templates, client materials, implementation guides, and other business assets that can help organize an AI consulting workflow. Rather than creating every document yourself, the platform focuses on giving you a starting point that you can customize for your clients. For beginners, that can reduce the amount of time needed to prepare professional-looking consulting materials. So, who is AI consulting machine best suited for? If you're a freelancer looking to expand your services, a digital marketer who wants to add AI consulting, an agency owner searching for new revenue opportunities, or even someone curious about building a consulting business around AI, this platform may be worth exploring. However, it's important to remember that no software guarantees business success. Finding clients, building trust, and delivering real value still require effort and consistency. Here are a few things that stand out. First, it appears to provide a structured approach instead of forcing you to figure everything out on your own. Second, having ready-made resources can potentially save time when preparing proposals or working with clients. Third, AI consulting continues to be an area that many businesses are actively exploring, which means there is growing interest in practical AI solutions. For people who prefer following a system instead of building everything from scratch, that could be a significant advantage. Of course, there are a few things to keep in mind. No platform can guarantee clients or income. You'll still need to learn how to market your services, communicate effectively with business owners, and continuously improve your skills. Think of AI consulting machine as a toolkit, not a shortcut to overnight success. Overall, AI consulting machine appears to be designed for people who want a more organized path into AI consulting. If your goal is to start offering AI-related services without building every process from scratch, it could be a helpful resource. Whether it's the right investment depends on your experience, your budget, and your willingness to take action after purchasing. As always, I encourage you to do your own research before making any buying decision. If you'd like to learn more about AI consulting machine, you'll find the official link in the description below. If you found this review helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to Ethan Cole for more honest AI software reviews, and let me know in the comments which AI tool you'd like me to review next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.